Hi everyone! I'm back with another video about NFTs. So far, we talked about what NFTs are and how different they are from cryptocurrency. Now, let's talk about how we can buy those NFTs. Well, if you want to have your own NFT collection, there are some things that you need to know first. The very first thing that you're going to need is a digital wallet. All your NFTs and cryptocurrencies will be saved there. Now, you'll have to buy some cryptocurrencies to pay for your NFTs. Okay? How to buy crypto? You can buy crypto by using a credit card on platforms like Coinbase or Kraken, eToro, even PayPal. Then you can move it from the exchange to your wallet. But before choosing an exchange to buy crypto, check the fees. Most of them will charge you at least a percentage of your transaction. So be careful and do some calculation before purchasing anything. Okay, now you have your wallet. You have some crypto in it. Let's go shopping. You should check some popular NFT marketplaces. There's no shortage of NFT sites to shop. Currently, the largest NFT marketplaces are these ones that I'm going to introduce to you. Well, first one, opensea. This peer-to-peer platform introduces itself as a provider of rare digital items and collectibles. To get us started, all you need to do is to create an account first on this website to browse NFT collections. You can also sort NFTs by sales volume to discover new artists. Second one is Rarible. Rarible is somehow similar to OpenSea, and it's a democratic open marketplace that allows artists and creators to present and sell NFTs. Rari tokens issued on the platform enable holders to weigh in on features like fees and community rules. The third marketplace is Foundation. Here, you cannot just enter the website and start working. Artists must receive upvotes or an invitation from their creator to post their art. Even artists must pay gas fee to mint their NFTs. The community's exclusivity and cost of entry, even for artists, means this website represents more prestigious artwork. For instance, Neocat creator Christoris sold the NFTs on Foundation platform. It also means higher prices, which is not necessarily a bad thing for artists and collectors who are trying to capitalize. Of course, if we assume that the demand for NFTs stays at current level or even increases over time. Another thing to keep in mind when you're buying and selling NFTs is that you should be aware of fraud. It is true that these platforms and marketplaces and other websites are representing NFTs of thousands of creators and collectors. But you should still do your research carefully before buying. There are some people who have listed and sold other artists' work without their permission. So make sure you're buying the right NFT from the right artist. And the last thing that you should know is that the verification process for creators and NFT listings aren't the same on every platform or marketplace. Some of them are more strict than the others. For example, OpenSea and Rarible do not require owner verification for NFT listings. So it is best for you to be aware and pay attention to what you're buying, so you won't end up regretting it.